Delivering the lecture titled "Emerging and Resurging Epidemic-Prone Infectious Diseases Caused by Superbugs and Other Microbial Pathogens," the guest lecturer, a former chairman, Medical Laboratory Science Council of Nigeria, and the doyen of medical laboratory science practice in the country, Professor Dennis Agbolao, highlighted some of the significant pandemic and epidemic-prone diseases which have continued to constitute major public health burdens to mankind and Nigeria in particular. The former Vice-Chancellor, Ambrose Ali University, Ekpoma, Professor Agbolao, outlined cholera and Lassa fever as some of the major diseases which has remained epidemic in Nigeria in recent years and gave some possible solutions to help prevent as well as treatments for infected patients. Professor Agbolao noted that Nigeria can only boast of few functional molecular diagnostic laboratories, numbering about 25, with 3 in Edo State, that have managed to remain functional after their hurried establishments across the nation during COVID-19 pandemic.
I think the way out is for the federal government in particular, in collaboration with the state governments, to budget enough funds, fund their health systems. We also need to equip the laboratories so that you are able to diagnose and confirm diseases as quickly as possible. They should not wait until an outbreak occurs in the country before they start doing health.
The acting Vice-Chancellor, Edo State University, Iyamo, Professor Dawood Egbefu, said the choice of the topic was apt as it dealt with the current health challenge bedeviling the nation.
As a researcher, it's only when you actually research and they make it publicly known or publish or make it available to the community that it becomes relevant. So this lecture today has actually educated, also has educated our students and lecturers as well. And those that later will hear this will get this message that it's good to actually research and make it public.
Dean, Faculty of Applied Health Sciences of the university, Professor Omosigo Omoruyipayo, said the maiden edition of the annual lecture series is primarily designed to share ideas.
So today's topic is, something that, is apt, in our time.
The lecture is very educative, inciting, and commendable.
But today we were told and we were made to see that a lot of ignorance in the past has been revealed.
The institution later presented an award of excellence to the guest lecturer, Professor Dennis Agbolao, and the acting Vice-Chancellor of the university, Professor Egbefu. Lucky Igbinoba, EBS News.